In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download audio from Suno AI. If you're ready to get started, let's dive into the step-by-step process so you can easily access your favorite tracks in no time. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Suno's website. This is where all the magic happens. Suno is a fantastic AI music generator that offers a plethora of creative audio, perfect for anyone looking to explore or download unique sounds. Once you're on the Suno homepage, the next move is to log into your account. If you haven't already signed up, don't worry. The process is simple and straightforward. But for those who do have an account, go ahead and type in your credentials to gain access. It's always good to remember your login details or have them saved somewhere secure to avoid any possible delays when you're in the mood for music. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to your personal dashboard. It's a pretty user-friendly interface, with everything you need just a click away. Focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll notice a menu. Look for the library option and give it a click. This library is like your personal music vault, storing all the audio files you've accessed or created using Suno. With your library now displayed in front of you, you'll see a list of songs or audio files that you can choose from. To the right of each track, you'll notice three little dots. These dots are your gateway to more options. Hover over those dots and click on them. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several choices, one of which is to select your preferred audio format. Select the format that best suits your needs. Whether you prefer MP3 for its universal compatibility or another format for different purposes, Suno has you covered. Pick whichever option works best for your software or personal preference. After selecting the format, the very final step in this process is to download the track. You'll see a download button. Go ahead and give that a click. Your chosen audio will begin downloading to your device. Make sure you know where your downloads are typically saved so you can easily access them later, whether it's in your downloads folder or another designated location. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded audio from Suno AI, ready to be enjoyed at your leisure, offline, and anytime you wish. We hope this guide was helpful and made the process clear and straightforward. If you found it useful, feel free to leave a comment or suggestion below. Thanks for watching and happy listening.